Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Nancy. Today I am here with my new video. In this video I'll be talking about the upcoming exam. As you know, FMG date has been announced. It is going to be on 6th July. So if we calculate it from today, around 90 days are left, right? So what should be your 90 days strategy? What should be your mindset for the next 3 months? So I'll be sharing some tips from my side. So let's get started with the video, and I hope it will be helpful to you. So let's get started. So 90 days, 3 months, right? It is going to go very fast, and you won't it will feel like the days are going very fastly, but don't take stress and just do what you're doing. I won't be sharing with you how to study and what you should be doing, because maximum of you who are going to give the July exam would be giving it for the second time. So you already know how to study, what to study. The only thing I would like to share from my side, do those things which you didn't did last time. Agar last time you didn't revised a lot, 2 time revision kiya, you didn't revised a lot, this time revise more. Last time if you left some of your weak subjects, I didn't like the subject, this subject is weak of mine, you left the subject, read this time and go. Because all 19 subjects are going to come, right? We all know exam de diya hai sabne, everyone knows all 19 subjects are going to come, and the questions are going to be twisted. All the options will be very close. So you should be knowing about all the 4 options, then only you will be able to exclude them. So why to take a chance this time? Read everything and go. कुछ भी मत छोड़ो, revise it again and again. Take out your make a list of your weak subjects, read it again and again. Last time also I did a video on 4-month strategy. In that video I shared that till April 30 you should try to finish your one thorough revision, full each and every topic in detail till 30 April. And if you have left any subjects, so do try to complete within this 30 days. So same I would like to say again, abhi bhi April is left, so try to complete that same, follow the same thing. If you are already doing revisions, so that's really good. If you are doing your 3rd, 4th revision, that is very good. Try to revise at least 3 times. Try to do even more. Question solve karo. Now every day in your routine, try to add that question solving part every day. Not only GT giving and question solving. एक दिन question solving से कुछ नहीं होगा. You should be solving every day some questions, and around at least 100 to 150 is the minimum you should be solving. Go for 200 to 50 questions a day, and prepare smartly. Prepare smartly as in you should be knowing what you have to study and what you not have to study. We have to study whole 19 subjects, but उसमें ऐसा नहीं है that each and everything you should be knowing. Like some topics are there which are must know topics, which you can't leave. So don't, at least try first of all not to leave that must know topics. उसके अलावा whatever some topics are there, like some topics are not so much important, you can leave the topic. Like if the topic is hard or time is less, so you can arrange with that. उसके अलावा one thing is there, don't leave any subject. कोई भी subject छोड़कर नहीं जाना. All 19 subjects will come in exam. So prepare all 19 subjects. Either it is a small subject or it is a big subject, doesn't matter, because every subject contributely will make you cross 150. NBMS is not following their own mark scheme, like they gave small subjects in their mark scheme. They have given all the small subjects as 5 marks each. But if you'll see last 2 papers, you saw that psychiatry around 12 to 13 questions came. So अभी वैसा नहीं है that small subjects से 2-3 questions will come, so I can leave the small subjects. ऐसा नहीं है, they can give more subjects, and it's just a bad day, you didn't read the subject and went, and उसी दिन same all the questions came, more questions came from that subject which you left and go. So don't take that kind of chances. Read all the subjects. Short subjects are there, 5 to 6 subjects, and in that concepts are very less. Limited amount of data is there, 1 to 2 revisions and you're like done on that. Full command will be there, you won't do wrong in that subjects. So it's like, and if you'll calculate around 40 to 50 marks, all the short subjects and 1-2 subjects extra additional do, and वो तुम्हें at least 40 to 50 marks they are going to give you. So that 150, around 50 marks are going to be from the short subjects. So that is a good number which is going to get from that. So don't leave that. apart from that, focus on your weak subjects more. GT देना start करो. If you are not giving GT oftenly, guys, please give GT. अभी 2-3 days before, Rajiv Dhawan sir also came live. He also said that give the GTs, focus on your weaker subjects. If you won't give GT, you won't know what are your weaker subjects. By giving that and analyzing only, you will be knowing that which subjects my questions are getting wrong and which I need to work more. Silly mistakes हो रहा है अभी भी. If control the silly mistakes that are controllable, if you solve more and more questions, you will read the explanations after when you do wrong, you will be improving slowly. Try to distract होने से बचो. IPL is going on. If you are seeing IPL, don't see. I can't say that don't see, but if you are seeing, try to utilize the time you spend it there. You give that time for your studying also. If you have given like 4 hours for your IPL match, make sure that 4 hours तुमने वापस से जाकर अपनी पढ़ाई भी complete की है उस दिन की. Until you have not completed the target, don't sleep. And take a stopwatch and study. Chart yourself now. You can't just simply say that I am studying 10 to 12 hours. From morning to night I am sitting and it is becoming 12 hours. So that is not the way of charting yourself. On stopwatch, you should be giving 10 to 12 hour output. Then only you can say that yeah, you are studying 10 to 12 hours. Now is the time to increase your time for studying slowly. And right now is the time when some subjects would be on your full command and some subjects would be that way which you have not studied nicely, or that are your weak subjects. If you are having doubt and if it is a subject which was weak last time also, so if you are thinking to change source for that subject, 1 or 2 subjects are that way which are weak, change source for them and prepare it well. But if you are don't change other subjects which is already good with the old teacher. Changing source right now is the bad idea. Don't go for that. Whatever is your source last time, use that same source. This time you have to only do is revision. If you did last time 2 revisions, this time is the time you should be doing at least 4 revisions. So more and more revise and more solving questions should be your goal. Nothing more is needed. It's not like you were having lack of knowledge last time. It was just your silly mistakes and some some question reading part and that all thing went wrong, so that marks went here and there. But this time is going to be your time. Just focus yourself more, solve more questions, solve more MCQs, image based questions and everything. FMG solution को at least 2 to 3 times you should be solving. That book is really very good. Ask whoever have solved FMG solution. That book, I agree, one-liners are there, but that one-liners will prepare you for that clinical based questions, because in clinical based question a lot of hints are there. First paper will be less on the clinical side. It will be more on the one-liner side. So that for you will be getting prepared by that. And apart from that, just prepare that way, and just this is the time not to get demotivated. If you are stressed and if you are getting that anxiety, it's a good thing because you are serious about something. That is why it is coming. If you are not serious about something, you won't get that anxiety. So just feel good for that you are investing your time in something which is making you anxiety, because you want it to give an output to you. Give your GTs and prepare nicely. Don't stress. If you are feeling so much stressed and everything, take a walk, take deep breaths, come back to study. Talk at home. Talk to your parents. They are the one who will never make you demotivate. They'll always give you that motivation. They'll always give you that push that yes, you can do it. It's okay. Stay away from toxic people. Don't be with them who are just simply making you fill with negative thoughts. Questions is going to be hard, my marks are not increasing, yours also not increasing, what to do, this and all, will definitely not pass and everything. Stay away from them. It's okay. Be with them who are motivating you, and daily try to take out half an hour for you, because whole day from morning to night of studying, it will be feeling like my all friends are enjoying, and someone is getting married, someone is going to party, someone is going for roaming. So that thing will it will give a very bad feeling for you that I am sitting in home and I'm studying. So take it in a good way, that next 3 months after the same, when I will be in that point, I am also going to be doing the same. And take out 30 minutes for you daily. Do whatever you want to do in the 30 minutes. You have to dance, you have to sing a song, you have to listen a song, you have to see a movie, TV, you have to go out for walking. Take the 30 minutes for you. What you want to do that. but just 30 minutes take out of the day, entire day, at evening, at afternoon time, whatever you want to do. And if you're a night person, I said before also, study at night. If you're a morning person, do get up in morning, utilize that 3-4 hours of silence for your studying. That will be a very good output. If you're a night owl, you can study at night, entire night, 1-2 hours extra in morning, and that way you can plan your routine. But the main goal should be there, once 10 to 12 hours of studying. You should be studying all the 19 subjects. Revision karna start karo. Try to finish your first revision in April. Thirdly, you have to give at least 2 GTs this month. Try to give 2 GTs this month and analyze them. Without analyzing, don't give the next GT. Work on your weaker subjects. Work on them with subjects which you have read, and which work on those subjects which you have not read properly, or it is weak for you, or you don't like the subject. Work on those subjects which you left that last time. Don't leave any subject. Read all the subjects. Last time जिस reasons की वजह से exam रह गया था, try to complete those all reasons this time. Be motivated. Say yourself that I am going to pass this way this time. I can and I will. This is going to be my time. I am doing everything whichever is needed to be done, and I am doing everything in a correct manner. Chart yourself. Write your daily topics, whatever you did the same day. Before sleeping, plan your day, what you're going to do next day. Plan it one night before sleeping. Select the topics and subjects which you're going to do tomorrow as your target, so that when you get up in morning, that topics and that subject, your target would be already there in brain, that today my brain has to work this way. So that is some things by which you can be you can boost your preparation, and it will be a little bit more good, and it will give you some good results. So prepare well, and I'll be there for anything. If you need help, you can text me on Instagram or in the comment section. And do like the video if you liked, and subscribe the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. All the best.